How to share your focus status with contacts on your iPhone. When focus status is enabled, supported apps like Messages can let other people know that your notifications are silenced, without revealing which focus mode you're using. To get started, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Then, tap Focus. Make sure the Share Across Devices option is enabled. Next, tap Focus Status. Turn on the toggle next to Share Focus Status. Now, go back and select the focus mode you'd like to use, such as Do Not Disturb, Personal, Work, or a custom focus. Once focus mode is active, contacts using supported apps like Messages will see that you have notifications silenced, and they can choose to notify you anyway if it's important. And that's it. You've successfully enabled focus status sharing on your iPhone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more quick iPhone tips and tutorials.